Today we are going to start chapter 2, polynomials. Regarding polynomials, we have studied detail in class 9, chapter 2. So, introduction. We have defined polynomial, an algebraic expression of the form a1 x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube dot an x to the power n, where a1 a2 an are real numbers and each power of x is non-negative integers. So we are in 9th class we have defined polynomial as algebraic expression having non-negative integer as power, that is same thing. Then degree of polynomial. If px is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in px is called degree of polynomial px. In short, the highest power of the variable in various terms of the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Examples. For example, 4x plus 5. This is polynomial of degree 1 because x has power 1. Second example, 5x cube minus 3x square minus 7x minus 5. This is also a polynomial having highest power 3. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 3. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. We have already studied in class 9. Example, 7x minus 2 root 2x minus 7 comma x minus 1 by 2. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example, 2x square plus 4x minus 5 comma y square minus 3 comma 4u square minus 5y7u plus 6. We can use any variable in polynomial. For example, in first example, variable is x. Second example, variable is y, and third example, variable is u. Then cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, 3 minus x plus x cube, comma, root 2 minus 3x plus 4x cube. Cubic polynomial means the polynomial having highest degree 3. We have already learned in class 9. So this is the introduction of chapter 2. Now we will see the definition of zero of polynomial. Definition is already written on the blackboard, but in short, if we are asked to find the zero of the polynomial, it means find that value of variable for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Examples. If px is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, this is quadratic polynomial. If we put x in place of, if we put x is equal to minus 1 in px, it means replace x by minus 1, we get p minus 1. You know how to find the value, that value becomes 0. Similarly, p minus 2 is equal to 0. It means for value minus 1 and minus 2, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. P minus 1 means the value of the polynomial for x is equal to minus 1. P minus 2 means value of polynomial for x is equal to minus 2. So for p minus 1 is equal to 0 and p minus 2 is equal to 0, it means minus 1 and minus 2 are called zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2. Now come to definition. Definition is given on the blackboard. Just I have told you to find the value, to find the zero of the polynomial, it means we have to replace k, we have to replace x by k. So if k is 0 of px is equal to ax plus b, then pk replace x by k. pk is equal to ak plus b is equal to 0 by transposition, and dividing by a we get k is equal to minus b upon a. This is the formula for to determine the zero of the linear polynomial, because ax plus b is linear polynomial. So formula is for linear polynomial, zero of linear polynomial, it means minus constant term in numerator divided by coefficient of x. It means coefficient of x is in denominator. This is very important for examination for 1 mark.